Hi, so it's 10:40 a.m. And it seems like I have drawn some lines and the logic and the rationale behind it. वो आपको अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर वीडियो में मिल जाएगा और अभी एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक सिनेरियो अभी बन रही है और यहाँ पे ये जो लाइन है ये आप जो देख रहे हो दिस इज़ द रेड लाइन इसको मैं सपोर्ट कह रहा हूँ and this has acted like a support for a short to medium term और ये जो लाइन है जो अपर जो कैंडल्स हुई हैं इसको मैं रेजिस्टेंस कह रहा हूँ और दिस हैज़ एक्टेड लाइक अ रेजिस्टेंस ऑन आवरली चार्ट सो दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म मीडियम टर्म आप रेजिस्टेंस बोल सक रहे हो और इंटरिम यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि मल्टीपल टाइम्स इस लाइन में इसने बहुत सारे सपोर्ट लिए हैं वाइल मूविंग अप और वाइल मूविंग डाउन जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे ये ब्रेक डाउन आया तो ये जाके और ये जो है ये सपोर्ट है मीडियम टर्म सपोर्ट and this is a medium term resistance, right? So going forward you can see right now it's right now ये 15,817 में trade कर रही है and this is the first time since the start of this month the month of July दैट निफ्टी जब ये हाई बनाई थी उसके बाद से जो रेजिस्टेंस फेस कर रही थी दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक दिस लेवल एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अगर इसको यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट करनी है तो डेफिनेटली रेंज ऑफ for a very strict stop loss would be the base of maybe these candles so which is around about 1588 15 15,790 15,785 इस रेंज में एक स्टॉप लॉस लेके अगर आप यहाँ पे करते हो तो यू हैव 20 पॉइंट्स टू लूज and other than that this looks that this is the first time it's going for a breakout of this channel. Now we don't know ये channel breakout कर पाएगी कि नहीं and if you are patient enough just like अभी भी hourly chart को close होने में 46 minutes बाकी हैं so it's just in the first 15 minutes but going forward I think ये अगर breakout दी from these levels then the next resistance which we can expect is round about at 15,880 levels over here or going forward agar ye so this would turn out to be a very good trade if that happens and else you have to keep a very strict stop loss and the chances are very high that agar ye breakdown below 15,000 800 and 15,790 levels so then theoretically it can correct towards 760 and eventually 730 regions over here so from a nifty perspective you have to have a more on a bullish sentiment is what is seen and the reason for this is we did a market watch जो मैं upper right hand corner में you will find the video in the upper right hand corner और वो वीडियो में आप देख सकते हो कि मार्केट वॉच में हमने देखा कि जो कंपनीज इसको ऊपर लेके जा रही है और उनमें से जो लैगर्स हैं जो सबसे नीचे है वो है कंपनीज लाइक ICICI बैंक HDFC बैंक एक्सिस बैंक and if they are able to recover even a little bit from their levels and the good thing is Reliance already range bound में it's already holding its ground so going forward I wouldn't be surprised if Nifty is able to go for levels of 880 in this particular session itself अब आप देख सकते हो कि हम बात करते करते इट्स ऑलरेडी 8:27 इश द ओनली कंसर्न जो मेरा एक जो कंसर्न है वो एक ही है कि यहाँ पे कोई वॉल्यूम उतनी है नहीं so normally if this is a breakout then theoretically it should come with a volume but eventually we have to see if it is able to because when you are entering a trade आपके पास you already have a very good concept of a stop loss say for example somewhere over here or as a safe trader you can easily exit over here but going forward it seems like the volume is not much there's not much of a volume participation and going forward it might very well be that within the next 15-20 minutes is 10:45 a.m. right now. Within 11 a.m. maybe this whole move may totally fizzle out, right? So let's see how Nifty goes from here. No matter what, if it is if I am actually taking a trade, then it's pretty simple. Since Nifty has been taking support at multiple 750 regions at multiple times here. So you can buy a 750 call and you can sell a 900 call, say for example, of this weekly, and then you are in the trend and you are also hedged. So that's also a good strategy. And if you want to be more if you want to have a more tighter stop loss and more tighter loss management, then you can easily buy a 750 call and sell 850 call. So in this way you can always hedge yourself, and there are other strategies also of how and why you can hedge. So and if you are trading in options, then you already do know that you can make a call a spread, and how you can make a bull spread and be a spread, and all these concepts are nothing new for you. So going forward, I think 840 850 में एक हल्की सी रेजिस्टेंस है, और 750 में एक सपोर्ट है. So let's see how this trade goes in, and of course the moment this stop loss gets hit, then theoretically you would also start selling 15,900 calls, and you would try to come out of the trade in positive, because if this is broken, then eventually it will go towards 750 in no time. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video about Nifty trading, of how I am trading Nifty on 14th of July at 10:45 a.m. will help you in understanding how I trade Nifty. Thank you.